there's any gold, it will go to me, to the bed support. At a time I need, it'll be a no.
Oh my god.
Not a chance.
I'm taking the bed.
Trying to head to mid, can't see you're here. Check coordinations, we do it here, it's just how we roll. We're rushing the right side. We won before, even when we beam. Egg fireballs is the last thing you will see. Take what you want, not what you need.
What do you want to do with this bed? Okay. Go, go! What are those things?
Oh!
I got here first.
Okay, how do I defend, Lance? I'll help you defend muna.
And stone wool, yun lang.
Okay.
That's the thing.
12.
You are implying that people need to be asked before speaking, but following that logic, you have needed to sit, have someone granted. You should say that. They left the game.
Damn.
5, 6, 7 bed inside.
Oh wait, you already bought, you a-hole. You made me waste. You didn't tell me.
I just said!
No, you didn't. I didn't hear it. It's because of Mark. I blame Mark.
No, I blame this guy.
Lagay
He
mo
didn't
sa
like it.
outer layer ng wall para more defense, Pogar.
Yeah, taratatat.
This thing is asymmetrical. It's asymmetrical. What?
What is asymmetrical?
You engineering dumbass. It's asymmetrical. What the hell? There's people on the left.
Where?
Oh no.
Where?
Yeah, I know.
It's not even attacking you. That man left. Bro. You
No. What the? I FPS dropped when I jumped. Hello?
Where's the diamond? Give diamond.
Wait,
Right
if
now.
I look here, it's 112 FPS.
Diamond. Yes.
If I make a penis.
Oh my goodness.
I don't
we
think he
got,
can. Can he do that? Okay, yeah, he can. He's good.
What if he can do that? But he can't do that.
I'm just gonna wait for him to like fall down.
You know what I mean? Like, what if he can do it, but he can't do it?
That's so unfair. What the hell? Why can't they place blocks over the diamond generator now? Do we have a trap?
No, they don't. But
No, see,
by a
Lance.
fireball.
No, Lance, do we have a trap?
No.
Okay. Dali lang yan gawin.
Mining fatigue gawin mo.
He's
para
down
ano.
there. Wait, no, he's down there. He's down there.
Mining fatigue is 2 diamonds. May
I only have
blindness na
one.
yun.
Last time back. Oh, fire! I can't.
I'm not connected to my faster Wi-Fi.
Like, bro, it's literally dog water.
Kaya mo yan, Mark.
Like, bro, it's literally dog water.
What? What do you mean it didn't register? I'm so garbage.
I have 8 emeralds.
Okay, what if you hypothetically pushed into the enemy team?
With
Just
all
like
the
that.
emeralds.
Yeah.
Yeah, it would be very funny. I agree.
There's a guy on mid.
I should do it. Hold on, let me do it right now.
Wow.
Wow.
Beat him up. I
Bully
found
him.
emeralds. Is there anyone on red? There's no one on red.
Just one person.
Oy, yung nasa red! Tingnan mo pangalan na red.
Ano? Ryan. Oh my
It's
god!
Oh, I get Ryan's
Oh my
pro review.
Oh, there's a yellow
goodness.
dude here. What the fuck?
Ryan's pro review. Bro, you got nothing on string gaming. Like, bro, you should retreat right now. Like, bro, you should retreat because that's string gaming 87.
Oh, on God. Wait, what? What's his name? Strip?
I mean-
Oh, I thought it was strip gaming. Like what?
Not string gaming 07. He's so fucked out. Like, he's literally
Oh my
fucked.
god. What the
Oh,
fuck?
Ryan for the win.
Who hit me?
He did.
Oh, really?
Get a fire
Oh, I didn't see it in his hands. What the
Look
hell?
at this guy. He's like body horror.
What the hell?
I tried parrying the arrow.
What the hell?
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that.
So I'm going fast. Oh, he's over there. If you lose that, you are.
I had 2 hearts, okay?
But you got nothing on Mr. Pro review.
Ryan Pro, my god. I got nothing on Ryan Pro Gamer.
My ass got busted, sorry.
He got nothing on Ryan Pro.
What am I he has 7 kills, oh he avoided that.
He
He
what?
was so good at avoid kill him.
Oh. Excuse me, I can't reach that. It's my diamonds, bro. Get the hell out of the way, my diamond, bro. No! It's my fucking diamonds. By the way, they're already on their way.
Sabihin mo lang kung if they're...
But are they on their way though?
I don't know, bro.
Like how can they be they are on their way? If not they're not even on their way. Are they on the way? I don't think
they are!
Bro, that's like bro, you killed him with 3 hits. That was like that man had like enough potential. I should have just gotten based.
In hindsight, I took all of your gold. So huge dub.
Man, I got treated.
Yeah,
He was under spy for Ezra.
yeah, pero
Hello,
ano?
Ryan. Hello, Ryan. Hello,
Oh my god,
Ryan.
it's Ryan. We gotta defend against Ryan's world.
What happened?
Bro, defend against Ryan's world. Come here, Ryan.
I thought this is
Okay. Got him! I got him!
bro. Ryan has like nothing on you, bro. Oh, no.
Musta? Oh shit, you got that, you got that.
He has nothing on me as well, bro. No, bro.
Oh shit, it's Crunchy Hades for the...
I fell on my health. I got rubber banded.
No. Okay, there we go. I got him. Nice, nice,
Hello,
nice.
Ryan. Hello, Ryan.
Kill Ryan!
Oh, I got Ryan. I got Ryan, bro.
You see, bro.
Okay.
Ryan's pro review. This should be like the title of the video. Meeting Ryan's toy review. Right,
Not clickbait.
Real.
Yellow's rushing, I think. Yeah, they're suiciding into us. Wait.
It's
Let
like
them wander in.
It's like one guy.
Oh, you didn't see that. You didn't see that.
Bro, he's
Absolute dog water, bro.
bro. WWWWW. Red cringe.
I'm just gonna do a little bit of trolling on me.
Fuck, that menace. Never mind. Honest. What?
Oh my god. I see why you're not messing with green. Oh no. Oh no.
How can they get the bed?
Okay, we're gonna have to switch places for me.
I'm making you. Why are you blowing them?
Don't
Why
you dare
you
push me. You know better
Or
than
else,
that to push.
search on the street.
Spicy. What the fuck? Oh, okay. He won't see you, dumbass. Wait. Stop. Oh, okay. I see what you're doing. Come on. You got that?
It's too easy. I have 9 kills. What?
I have 4.
Okay, prepare to get targeted next game. He has BVD money mods.
My god, he has a DVD.
Sweet little bumblebee, I know what you want from me.
They're already bridging, bro. Look at that cheat. It's that bridge.
I'm bridging as well.
I know, I'm saying. That right there. They have bonus bad defense.
I mean, considering the nerf of glass, you know, it's not too
Bullshit
bad.
nga eh, ba't nila ginawa yun?
Is this
It goes per
Bumblebee?
class.
Is this Bumblebee? Oh my goodness. Bumblebee. The B movie, the best movie of all time.
Found diamonds.
Mark, gusto mo grind ng bedwars buo.
Blue's
Oh,
defense is
okay.
just...
I don't know. We're gonna get up.
Gusto ko lang mag-grind buo kasi.
Nothing but better, she.
I have
Yeah,
to work,
and
dude,
Genshin.
sadly.
Oh, red's alright. They're breaking the right. They're already on the right.
I'm so confused. Where am I? I bought the wrong thing as well.
Man's paranoid.
Red's there.
Where am I?
Or there's two red on us. Alright.
I-
Because we pick a Bumblebee, and you'll give a me.
On us is noob red.
Oh my goodness, it's DJ Manimat. Holy shit. He has screwed, bro. Like, we're actually getting ass fucked.
DJ who now? Oh my god, it's DJ Kanye East. Was killed by Mikey. I got it.
God damn it, we're so good.
Why?
Yes, he has competent teammates. It's like giving Thanos a buff.
Oh, maganda teammates ng blue. Nako. GG.
Yeah, but are they a bumblebee?
I don't think so.
For real.
So red below us.
Ah,
God damn it.
it's Chris the Legend, Chris Pratt. Crispy Cream.
No.
Crispy Undertale.
Who the hell is that guy? Oh no, man, our team is
No.
Bro, our team is dead. No.
Oh, now you attack me. Ah, I'm dead. Guru.
I believe in you.
I believe.
Jesus, what was
I
that sound?
believe.
Oh, are we not pushing? Excuse me.
I'm here with you.
Okay.
Instead,
The glory.
all the way to victory.
I'm getting grid.
Keep on dying. Oh, the way, keep on dying. Oh, the way, keep
Okay,
on
Mark,
dying.
decide for me. Should I box tomorrow or not?
Box? Why? Who are you boxing?
Sa office ni
Man's
Nani.
gonna box Andrew Tate.
Who are you boxing? Oh no, who are you boxing?
Who? No one. It's just training.
What if we spark?
I'd rather not.
Come on, man.
Wait. I'm putting up a peace treaty.
The fight of the century.
Mark, do you see yellow face?
Okay, it's just be. I'm guessing it's gonna be a giant penis.
Yes.
I don't even see it. Why do I see it? I know what you want.
Oh wait, was that a final kill? It doesn't make the funny noise anymore.
What's going with brother?
Stop! I don't wanna play this game anymore! What does weaker armor
Okay,
mean?
use on the field.
Yeah, I didn't see it.
Ano?
What does weaker armor mean? That's a parang kill thingy. Is that?
Oh,
does
that means
mean
they're L ratioed by you.
No, like legit. Does it mean anything?
No, not really.
Oh, okay.
Basically, you're better.
Exactly, L ratio.
I'm scratching my thighs. Give me a moment. There we go.
Sassy.
What's wrong with scratching my thighs?
Sassy.
Scusi.
Real.
Ano na nga, isn't he? He fell in so na
Yeah.
I knew it. Blue's cutting torches, by the way.
What? Where'd he go? Can we set people on fire? What do you think? He must have been missed.
Hamoud Habibi. Okay?
Where's
Hamoud.
Where's Ahmad?
Oh, red.
Why are there so many holes? What the fuck?
Kaya nga eh.
I don't know.
Pero sweet, ito, Bumblebee, I don't want you.
I'm feeling lonely.
That I wish I could find a lover that could hold me.
What? Get the fuck out of my base, bro. Bro, what the fuck? Get the fuck out of my house. Get the fuck out of my house, bro. Ain't gonna lie, bro. You gotta get the fuck out of my house. Stop. Get the fuck out of my house, bro. Ain't gonna lie, bro. Ain't gonna lie, bro.
If you lose your game.
You go fuck.
You lose your game.
Get the fuck out of my house, bro.
If you lose your game. Like, that's canonical at this point.
Why? Why? I didn't say anything about you being gay when you were like, you know, having the battle of his life. What the heck? Why is he 20 hearts?
Only hearts. How did you lose? It's Hamad.
Hamad Habib.
Hamud had.
Abu Dhabi,
Hamud Habib. I wanna slap him with iron. Iron! Ooh! He got some space!
Damn!
I punched the fireball into him.
GG's.
Oh. Why I'm pink? It's cause you're gay.
I need the win.
No! Get away from my house, brother!
Oh, it is something bad.
It's a 2v1. Help! One guy knows how to fight, the other's dumb. Never mind.
What is their bed defense? I can take a prayer right now.
It's wood and wool.
Okay, White has one player, but we're still gonna get fucked by that one player.
Please help!
Ah,
I
Get
got
your
one
time.
diamond, bro. There's another guy.
bro. I
Help
know,
me.
bro.
Please!
I know.
Thank you.
I'm headed my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Like, bro, you're losing to one get the red guy, bro. Like,
You
that
look
is
stupid.
3 bucks a bit.
It was the guy.
He's very low. Kill him. TNT ship. The red. TNT ship's the red. We do a little trolling.
Okay.
Tara.
What do we need? Haste? Trap?
No.
Never mind.
Maybe something else. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know what you need.
I don't know either. That's why I'm asking.
I already got a bit.
We should hit white then. Don't we? Should we? Pala?
Yes.
Yeah.
Download the bed. So yes.
I mean, like, red's got a bridge to mid. I'm gonna take their route.
Yeah, that's the easier path. It's the way longer, but it's the safer path.
Exactly.
Because we're all safe. We all play safe. Right?
12 seconds later.
Right?
Beat him up! Take his lunch money!
I got 4 emeralds.
What? Oh, guy? Fella. Human being.
Wow. He's walking and talking. Wow.
What? I'm confused.
So, Francis might be better than me in Valorant, but he's not better than me in BEDWARSS. Okay, well, we're all screwed.
Why?
That's one man in a dream. I fucking fell as well, that's why we lost.
Stop! Sir! Please! Consider your life choices! Okay,
What
got
do
him.
you... Oh, never mind. I thought you meant about Sir Someone. Someone who's...
Ryan.
Wait, is this not his base? What? Where's his base? What?
It's the war left. The guys. It's
I'm
the...
lost. I was wondering why he hasn't spawned yet. I almost fell.
I did fall. He's at mid. I don't know.
No,
let's see
he's
us.
going towards mid.
Why?
Sir, no! Stop! I don't wanna play anymore! Just go. I'm just going to this base, dude.
Yeah, go to this.
I don't wanna talk about it.
He said it to our base. He said it to our base.
I got a fireball.
I will keep moving on to find the answer to.
He said it to our base.
Oh,
Guys.
oh my god! Oh my god!
So we have like 4 traps, bro.
TNT sheep. I don't know what that does, and I don't know how to get it.
I follows people. And we were just trying to get them. Guys, please, he's still right.
Blows up.
Guys, he's still right there.
Yeah, I know.
He's just there.
Papasukin mo, bibigyan ko sila ng trap. Ayan.
I want to try the TNT ship, dude. I wonder what it does. Do I even have armor? Oh, I don't.
It's too easy.